First one, translation.
Watch them for me, please.
Yeah, fantastic. But do you know the situation where I'm saying this? Okay, so Anant and I, we have set up a binocular pointing at people's bedroom in the next building. Okay,
Okay.
so we take turns. He comes to my place. We are studying. We are doing PhD in human behavior. Okay, come on, Ricky. Okay, don't
Okay.
don't think anything else. Okay, so we are basically, it's our subject of PhD, Dr. Lad. Okay, so
Okay.
we just watch them, and then what we do, we take turns. He watches, he cooks the meal, then I watch them, and then I say, watch them for me, please. I need to do something. Cool.
Yeah.
Either that, or I didn't realize that Anant works for Mossad, and we are looking at possible suspects in the next building.
Okay.
Yeah. Imagine this was a physical classroom, okay, and you guys are all sitting in the classroom, and Nabil says, I need to go to toilet. Okay, so I say, go ahead.
Oniva.
नहीं अरे भाई you need to go to toilet, not all of us.
Is it Alezi?
Why?
Alazy.
Wazi.
Oh, Wazi.
Yeah, Alizi or Wazi, but because I don't respect you, Wazi. Go there. This is literally go there or go Oniva. कुछ भी. Aishwarya, let's say I'm pregnant and I want to say j'ai envie de manger des.
Tamarind. You want to eat tamarind?
Yeah, I'm just be enceinte. I'm pregnant. Okay. Not a single woman speaks with Joshi Master. How do you say that?
क्यों
मजा आ रहा है ना तुमको बहुत ऐसे एग्जांपल लेके हाँ चलो ओक्यून फार्म नपाल
with avec J.
सही है ये भी एक रियलिटी है विनोद ऑल वी आर टेकिंग ऑल रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल्स टुडे all our harsh realities of life are coming out. I received your message.
So j'ai reçu ton massage.
ये अच्छा सेंटेंस नहीं बोला आपने. मसाज मतलब मैं अर्बन क्लैप में काम नहीं करता हूँ. ओके जे रस्यू तो मैसाज
आपके लिए तो वो यूज करना था ना, ये आपके लिए नहीं है. अच्छा,
बट ये मैसाज है. हाँ, मसाज मत बोलना नहीं तो वो the French people will look at you in a suspicious way. Okay,
massage.
जे रस्यू तो मैसाज. Okay, yeah, tell me the translation.
I received your massage.
Message.
Yes, message.
क्या मतलब बहुत are you very rich like you take massage like day and night?
Okay, ele monte suchlamiu.
Suchlamiu. एकदम ऐसा वो लोग बोलते ना मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ, वैसा नहीं बोलने का फ्रेंच हमको. हम एकदम फ्रेंच जैसा फ्रेंच बोलेंगे. ele monte suchlamiu.
Ele monte suchlamiu.
Yeah, अभी आ रहा ना epiglottis.
Yeah, Khan.
Took down Joshi Master in what sense, sir? लगा आप कहीं ऊपर बैठे हो और फिर मैं नीचे उतार रहा हूँ.
हमेशा के लिए. Para siempre. To khalas. Okay. I think mostly it means the same. This thing like the for permanent. Okay.
No.
हाँ मतलब
it can mean a lot of things.
Yeah, but to khalas is definitely one meaning. Like to khalas.
No, took down.
Yeah. Also like अगर मेरा business बर्बाद कर दिया like पूरा मतलब like, you know, वो तो वो करने ही वाला है. I was just hoping that he says that he will not do this. So okay, किरण आपने बोला क्या हुई?
Yes.
आता तुझी बारी आली. थाम. अब मुझे बताओ.
मुझे भी मराठी आती है.
अच्छा, I don't have any more information. Pablo Joshibar is back. So Pablo Joshibar ने आपको अगवा किया. आपने मेरे कोकेन चुराए सिंगापुर में. ठीक है, आप मेरा शिपमेंट चुराया. So मेरे लोगों ने आपको टॉर्चर कर दिया ऑलरेडी 96 आवर्स के लिए. ठीक है.
ओके.
फिर मैं आता हूँ. पहले मेरे असिस्टेंट टॉर्चर करते हैं, फिर मैं आता हूँ. ठीक है. मैं आ गया हूँ मेरा क्रिकेट का बचपन वाला बैट लेके प्लास्टिक का. ठीक है. तो यू से I don't have any more information. How will you say that?
Je n'ai Je n'ai plus.
ये स्लाइड का सहारा लीजिए क्योंकि आपका मतलब कॉलर बोन टूट सकता है.
Okay, okay.
You know, in those movies, most of the movies, there's a wild love making scene, and after that, they cut to the next morning when one of the actors, like either male or female, walks into the room with a breakfast in the bed or something like a teapoy, wooden teapoy or something, right? And then they make the other person eat the breakfast without brushing their teeth. Do you remember those scenes?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Okay. So one of our students, Alok, has invented, and we are grateful to Alok for that invention. So basically, what you do,
Allez, arrivez, venu, revenu.
Aha.
Entrez, descendu, devenu.
oh,
Sorti, parti, resté, retourné. Passé, monté, tombé, némo.
Thank you so much, Alok. So I'm gonna just sing with Alok once. Allez, arrivé, venu, revenu, entré, rentré, descendu, devenu, sorti, parti, resté, retourné, passé, monté, tombé, né est mort. And Alok has definitely surpassed our expectations about his creativity. And these are basically all past participles of the verbs, of these movement verbs, which go with etre as helping verb. So one last time, Alok and myself, we're gonna sing this Eminem style. Chalo, 1, 2, 3. Allez, arrivé, venu, revenu, entré, rentré, descendu, devenu, sorti, parti, resté, retourné, passé, monté, tombé, né est mort. ऐसे एकदम.
ये एडिट हो जाएगा.
एक काम करो, अब सभी गा लेते हैं.
No, please spare me that. पहले उसके 3 रीटेक हो गए. Anyway,